I'm famished. I'm starved. Where can I get a good meal around here? I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated. Let's talk about finding five-star restaurants on the internet. A lot of times people have to travel for business or if even within their own city. They want to find a good restaurant. How do you do that? There's a number of ways you can do it. Mobile travel guide on the internet is one place. You can use the AAA website, and you can also use City Search. Using any of these websites, you should be able to put in the city that you're looking for, and they will bring up all the rated restaurants within there. A lot of times they'll let you search by region or location within the city, and sometimes they'll also let you search by rating. So once you've got the city selected and you've got your restaurants selected, you're off to have a great meal. Bon appetit. I hope this helps you. This is Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated.